Tulad nung sinabi ko sa trainer, sir, relax lang tayo. May cut naman po ito.
Sige, no
May
problem. Kahit wala.
Kahit ayun, game na games.
Todo na to.
Ako lang yung nabubulol dito. Pa-double check, camera rolling position, audio, okay. May kulang eh. Ito yung kapangyarihan ko, sir.
Tato.
Yan, ganyan mo na.
Hindi ka sa liig ko.
Except palit po tayo. Alright, nandito tayo ngayon sa IVTSI Main Campus. I'm with the founder and president, Sir Roy Bautista. Sir Roy,
Yes.
thank you po. Pinaunlakan niyo ang aming invitation para maka-visit sa campus ninyo. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Good morning, Kuya AJ.
Good morning,
Welcome.
sir. Tanong natin yung humble beginnings ng IVTSI.
Okay.
Kailan ito na-establish, sir?
This was founded 2016. Ang nangyari noon, mayroong isang meat shop business
Okay.
sa Kawit, Cavite. And then may mga lumalapit sa akin na gusto magpa-train ng butchery. Ang akin naman, I really like to help people gain skills. So I was offering it for free.
Oh, wow.
And then eventually, may lumapit sa akin na mga test school saying na I'd like to give you more students. Exchange natin ng pagtulong mo at magturo, bibigyan kita ng certain amount.
Ayos,
So sabi ko,
sinupera
it's
na kayo.
okay, it's okay. I really don't need yung remuneration naman sana. Pero the students kept coming in and then, lahat ng bayad na binibigay sa akin nung previous school, I just gave it to my trainers.
Oh, wow.
Oo, pang ano nila, pang araw-araw.
Opo.
Kasi nakakatulong din sa akin yung mga estudyante. And eventually, when the meat shop was already declining, kasi ang ganun sa negosyo, may ups and downs yun eh. So I thought, why not build my own school?
Yan.
So doon nagsimula.
Doon na.
So nag-register kami sa SEC 2016. And then we had our first batch of students 2016 then.
2016 din.
TESDA accredited siya for slaughtering operations. And that's how it started. So a lot of ups and downs. There are times na walang estudyante.
Opo.
There are times na ang kinita ng eskwelahan is 7,000 pesos.
Oh, ganun eh.
Those
no?
things happen. And thankfully, we got a good break. And here we are now.
Going back, sir, yung first training site natin, saan siya nun? Dito na ba?
Ang main campus namin was in Kawit before. And then ang kauna-unahan naming partner establishment was in Tres Martires, Cavite. May slaughterhouse doon. During that time, the mayor allowed us to use the slaughterhouse facility to conduct yung training namin ng slaughtering operations. That's how we started na mag-offer ng TESDA program.
Sa simula, sir, ilang trainers ang meron ka nun nung nagsisimula pa lang kayo?
Ang simula namin ito, dalawa lang kami.
Okay.
I am the founder and I had the co-founder. He's a childhood friend of mine. His name is Romel Rapusas. Ano siya accredited trainer and assessor for TESDA. So sabi namin, let's go ahead and let's build a school.
Yes.
So talagang wala kami intention na to make this a business as it is now. Sa amin lang, gusto lang namin makatulong.
Naka-follow ako sa page ni sir, no? Yung IVTSI Facebook page natin. Nakikita ko dun, sir, are you partner with SNR po?
So 2021, that's one of our biggest breaks. Romel was contacted by a member of SNR, by an admin staff of the senior vice president. Noong una, akala namin prank call lang.
Oh.
Sino mag-aakala? Lead namin eskwelahan. Then all of a sudden, tatawag yung SNR. So we met with the senior vice president. He's an expat. Let's call him Darren. Then, he asked us, would you be willing to train? Ano ba ang competency ng eskwelahan nyo in terms of training for the retail industry? Sa akin, ang prinsipyo ko, I would say yes to every opportunity, then learn it later. Kasi ang alam ko lang sa retail is yung maliit na meat shop ko. I never had any experience training ng ganong kalaki. I thought ang training natin for SNR would be several days. I thought I would just be training around 20 students because we already conducted similar trainings for Universal Robina. Saka dun sa may Batangas, the company name escapes me right now. Ganun lang, more on lectures and theoreticals and small groups lang. And just optimizing yung kanilang operations. But we were pleasantly surprised nung sinabi nung SVP ng SNR, no, you will be training all the butchers in SNR.
Wow.
Di ba? Across the Philippines.
Nationwide.
Right? And this will last for several years. So, we started 2021. That was May 2021 we started in SNR. And now, 2025 na.
2025.
This year, 4 years na pala kami na nagtuturo sa SNR. So, the program is still going strong. And along the way, hindi lang kami pinag-focus sa training. I was also tapped to become a consultant for them.
Wow, galing.
So, yung mga tanong niya sa akin about retail meat cutting, some sort of an interview na pala.
Oo.
He was gauging my capability to run yung meat department ng SNR, to establish it and act as a consultant and manage the team that will run SNR. We actually play a big role in running the meat business for SNR.
Business nila, ang galing.
Right.
Consider nyo po ba yun yung biggest break nyo as of the moment?
All blessings, big or small, we are grateful.
Okay.
But you are right, this is one of the biggest,
Ganda.
if not the biggest, di ba? More to come. I'm pretty sure that there will be more to come.
Sa mga viewers natin, why would they choose IVTSI?
Okay.
Ang daming butchery dyan. Madaming kompetensya.
This is what's peculiar about us. We never considered yung other school as competition. Bagkus, sila ay mga katuwang namin. Sa dami ng kinakailangan butcher sa buong Pilipinas, di namin kayang i-train lahat yung requirement. So katuwang namin sila. Okay? Now, ano naman yung nagiging differentiator na lang
Yan.
versus other training schools? We are similar in the sense that we are TESDA registered for the NC2 programs for slaughtering operations for swine. What sets us apart is kami yung kauna-unahang school na nag-develop at na-register for a program for retail meat cutting. Makes sense, di ba? We were teaching meat cutting sa SNR. Might as well register it because what they actually learn is yung industry standard, which is world-class. SNR is world-class. It's actually what's being done abroad. Okay, that's one of the key differentiators. Another would be, meron din kaming kapartner for slaughtering operations for cattle. Ito yung RSRH Livestock Corporation. Sila yung supplier din namin for beef, and then they are considered one of the best, if not the best, abattoir in the Philippines. World-class din to. That's our partner sa Marilao. So meron din kaming campus sa Marilao, Bulacan.
Okay.
So we thought about yung mga kapartner naming major establishments, major key players that actually does real work. Yun ang isang main advantage namin. Second advantage namin, and I consider this also key, yung mga trainers ko, industry experience. Pagkasama-samahin ko, years of experience namin as meat cutters, butchers, palagay ko mga nasa 100 plus years ang experience namin. From my co-founder to myself, because I'm also a practicing butcher. I know what I teach. Yung mga trainers ko, which you will get to know later, lahat sila may industry experience. Nahasa na ng todo-todo because we were doing training sa SNR. And also, because we have a program, we always upskill our trainers. Diba? Meron sila, yung mga retail meat cutters namin, they went on to get certification for slaughtering operation. Nag-undergo rin sila ng NTTC or PM methodology, which is basically yung standard course for making sure that the trainers deliver yung training as per TESDA regulations.
Yan.
One of the key
Talagang
thing yun.
swak sa
Oo.
regulations.
Yeah, correct. So may industry experience at
Plus.
sila ay qualified
Accredited.
trainers.
Yes.
And they are also assessors.
Parang gusto ko nang mag-enroll ngayon ah.
Pwede, sir. Pwede. Another competitive advantage natin, ano? Yung SNR namin, we have training venues across the Philippines actually.
Ayun.
So, madalas namin pinagtre-trainingan dahil kami mga Kabiteño dito sa Imus, Bacoor,
Sa Imus po kayo.
saka sa Ivo City, sa Kawit.
So mga ilang sites nang meron ngayon, sir?
Ang SNR has 32 clubs to date.
32 to date.
Right. And SNR will be growing 10% per year.
Wow.
So you can imagine yung span and location nung pwedeng pagkondukta ng training. And in doing training with SNR, there is abundant raw materials. Sa isang club namin,
Tama.
marami kang carcass, marami kang box meat. Diba? By the tons per day ang kinakat ng tao, ng trainers and trainees natin. So talagang mahahasa kayo.
Oo.
Sa baka naman natin, sa RSRH, dahil sila yung pinakamalaking at pinakamagandang abattoir sa Pilipinas, hanggang pagtulog ng estudyante, pagpikit ng mata, baka pa rin ang
Baka pa
kasakarap
rin.
nila. Diba?
Ito yung kagandahan sa page ni Sir, kaya na-catch din yung attention ko. Nandito yung mga trainers, sa likod nila talagang nakikita mo yung mga karne. Sabi ko, ang laki natang school nito, sabi ko. So yun, narinig natin mismo kay Sir, yung partnership niya sa SNR and
RH.
RH.
RSRH.
So ganun kalaki yung IVTSI ngayon.
Well, AJ, thank you very much for this opportunity para ma-broadcast natin sa channel mo yung advocacy rin ng IVTSI. Like you and me,
Apo.
we want to empower people to change their lives for the better. So those who would want to explore butchery as an alternative career, go and visit our Facebook page, IVTSI, and also our website, www.ivtsi.com. Send us a message then. We will reply very promptly. Make this decision. Start now and change your life forever. More power to all of us. God bless everybody.
Thank you, sir, sa oras po yung binigay niyo.
Thank you.